Morning, my friends, and it's a couple of days later. So let's continue on the lawnmower where we left it a couple of days ago. Okay, guys, I cleaned up the head part, and I must tell there is no wop in the head. I've checked it very nice with a ruler. It is absolutely nice and flat. And luckily I marked this push rods because the one is a little tiny bit longer than the other one. So I know where that fits. So, and I've cleaned the top of the engine and everything there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the head back, and then we can set the valves. Okay, guys, and I don't mention, I suspect it had a blown head gasket because when before I cleaned up, I could see clearly this coloring in this area, and then it is open from the combustion chamber to the crankcase. So that is what I expect. So I'm going to put everything back together and torque it, and then put some, just for in case, I'm going to put some non-Wins stop smoke in the oil, just to make it a little bit thicker and hope for the best. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to replace the engine with the bricks that I have. Okay guys, the head is so far, but not torque yet, and I still need to put all this in place and set the valves, but okay, this is how far I am now. Okay guys, the head is torqued, and I'm just going to set the valves quickly, and then put the exhaust back and the carburetor, and then I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I had to open it again, only the tappet cover, because I discovered at the points on the push rods, on the other side there's a little cup where the push rod press in. It have a round hole, and then flat at the other end, and that flat end sit on the part that follow the cam, or a little piece in between, but I forgot that two caps, and then I had to try and put it in here from this side on both, and now the valves go up and down, but I am not sure if they both sit in the correct position, because I can't see anything very nice from here. So I hope it is in place. So we're going to destroy this engine, or it will run, but that we will see at the end. Okay guys, both is moving again. So let's hope that cups is in their places. Okay guys, all that is now actually left is drain the oil and put something thicker in that I have in stock, and also of that Wins, put the plug in and start it. Everything is now fixed and on, and I hope I didn't forget something else, but I really hope that two cups is in their places. But the machine can spin over, and I can hear there is some compression, although you can hear the wind and so on. So let's see. Okay guys, and did I mention that I put this Rheinzol? It's a gasket maker, up to 300 degrees I think, but this is a good gasket maker that I used on the Farmall as well. So I put that on on the top, both sides of the gasket. So I think if it was a head gasket, it will definitely help. Okay guys, now it is the weight game for me, because I put the winds in, and I will give it chance to go down, and then only top up with new fresh oil, and we're going for a startup. But the reason why I say wait is that stuff that I put on the head gasket must sit for a couple of hours, at least 12 hours, to cure. Otherwise, otherwise it might blow a gasket right away. So let's wait and see. I'll bring you back when you go for a startup, my friends. And I just give it a pull with a rope, with a plug out, and there's no noises coming from the head side. So hopefully that 2 cups is in their places. Okay, now it is complete with the cover on top,